What's up, everyone? Got ourselves a Blizzard Legacy Collection trading cards here. Cards are pretty cool in here if you're a fan of Blizzard stuff. I put my box. They're always miss. The cards in here are pretty cool if you're a fan of Blizzard. It's got all the big Blizzard properties. Um, Overwatch, WoW, Diablo, StarCraft, and some of their smaller games. All right, so we got the box contents here. We got Horde Parallels 1-1, Molten Core Parallels 1-70, and then looks like all the inserts are 1 and 140. We got Art of Samwise, Ultimate Ready, and the Innkeeper's Collection Classic. As the red parallels, but wish us luck. I think we get like a Horadric Cube piece every blast or two. Let's see if we can get there. Start off with a nice Rexar from this Hearthstone here. We gotta have the symbol on the right here for what game it's from. We got Kael'thas Sunstrider from Heroes of the Storm. We got Sigma from Overwatch. That's cool. They got some of the new. This is one of the newer characters from Overwatch. Fia, or Fia from Heroes of the Storm. Oh, we got our red parallel here. Joanna from Heroes of the Storm also. That's pretty cool. Also a Diablo character, Paladin. What's up, Bob? Ooh, we got Zol Jin. That's a nice one. Wow. Or Warcraft, I guess. Oh, there we go. Imperious from Diablo. Got our first Diablo character. Dude, for not being foil cards, these things are pretty glossy. Yeah, Joanna's Diablo 3, but they have her marked as HOTS in here. And, oh, we got a Medivh from WoW without that giant print line down the middle of it. We got all silvers. That's about what the average is, though. You're going to get one red. And you get a bunch of the silver base cards. There's like inserts where they're doing the like Overwatch characters have their ultimates ready. Like they're pretty sick. The Genji one's pretty nasty, and the Hanzo one has the dragon. And I think they're acetates. We got eight cards per pack. Got a Raynor. Ooh. Oh, it's murky. Yeah, it's murky from Hot. Ooh, Mephisto from Diablo on the Horde Parallel. That's pretty cool with the red. Oh, this person I don't know this one. Turalin from WoW. I don't know. He's got like a broken sword. I thought it was Leroy for a second. Got a Gul'dan. Yeah, the art is nice on these. We got a Tacitor. Oh, and we got a drone. Dude, the drone's like the cleanest card with the like pure white background and shit. That's nice. So we're guaranteed one of the Horde Parallels every pack. So I wonder if we get a Horde Parallel, if we get another insert also. I guess maybe they have them from different games, because this is a Medivh from Hearthstone. The other one was from WoW. Or HOTS, maybe. I forget now. Ooh. Valera Sanguinar from HOTS. Or from here, Hearthstone, sorry. That's really just like a full art version of like her, like here, like when you play the game, you have like this part of it. Ooh, Brightwing. That was an annoying character to play against in HOTS. Oh shit. Human Death. That's kind of cool. The Lost Vikings. There you go, Bob. Yeah, your HOTS main. On the red. We got Ball from Diablo. That's a nice art. Arthas. Hey, that was back-to-back bangers. That's Arthas. Oh, that's Arthas from Warcraft. I wonder what the Arthas from Heroes is gonna look. Heron Gorefiend. You don't see art for that character much. That's pretty neat looking. Warcraft. What? Oh, it's so good that it lost focus. There we go. Got his mount. His weapon looks wild. I don't even know what weapon that is. I'm about a full set by the time I'm done. Alright, so we still got our guaranteed Horadric Cube piece, I think, in here. Come on, one of the parallels. Any of the parallels. Come on, any of the parallels. Mayev, Shadow Song from Stone. Oh shit, my boy Reaper. I used to love playing Reaper. Sylvanas Windrunner, that's some sick art. From Hearthstone. Oh, there's a Horadric Cube piece. Oh, with a thrall on the Horde red. Nice. I was hoping to get at least one. Oh shit, Duriel. Diablo level 1 bosses and stuff in here. Isn't that like the Act 1 boss in Diablo 4? Or Act 2? Sargeras. Holy crap. Yeah, he looks badass. Yo, that red thrall is sick. Alright. Alright, I'm feeling a big card coming. We're warming up. The packs are getting hot. Oh, this is the Lost Vikings 2 base card. It looks like the like I was gonna say the game cover art. Oh, Winston. Old Jumpman himself. Oh, and right behind it. Back to back Overwatch. Ooh, Genji on what's his last name? Shimada? Genji Shimada on the Horde Parallel. Belial. Again, all the Diablo bosses. Speaking of Diablo bosses, Gom. Lady Vash from Warcraft. Anduin Lothar. Hey, they really do have everyone. That's cool art. Come on, juicy pack. Ooh, Garrosh Hellscream. That's a badass. From Hots. Lucio from Overwatch. His art doesn't even seem to it seems like he's more of like a cartoon character than an Overwatch character. That's weird. Oh, we got another Lost Vikings. This one's not from any game. This one's just Lost Vikings card. Yeah, another Joanna. Vol'jin Darkspear on the Horde Red Parallel. He's on his mount. I think there's a crap. I think we had another Vol'jin also. A Zergling. That's pretty cool art. He's beating up a space marine of some sort, it looks like. Inarius. Inarius. Those Diablo Angels. Uther Lightbringer. That's a cool art for him. You don't see him with the helmet off and young very often. Alright, last pack magic. I would have to go through all 10 boxes to guarantee like pack off for one of those parallels. The Molten Core ones that are 1 in 70 or whatever. Got their Hearthstone Lost Vikings this time. I think we got that one already before. We got the Genji base. Ooh. A new one here. Lady Leandrin. Yeah, that's the Hearthstone Paladin. Oh, shit. That's kind of cool. Got the Red Horde Parallel right after. Oh, Leia from Diablo. Where's the Decker Kane at? Hoodran Wildhammer. Oh, shit. Probes. Why does Probes have the Nova from behind it? That don't make no sense why Nova's in a picture with 3 probes, but hey, there we are. Black Hand. Interesting. I don't think I've heard of him in the oh wait, he's the ERS, right? Is it like boss of like one of the bosses in Mute VRS or something? Well, no fancy parallels except for the Horde ones. It's pretty much just a basic box. Horde Parallels and the one Horadric Cube. Nothing like crazy fancy. Go through the base real quick. Got cool art. All the base. Here is red parallels. The Horde parallels. Got some nice ones. The Mephisto. Anna. Genji's nice. Cool Jin. Lady Leandrin. Lost Vikings from Hearthstone. Yeah, the badass Thrall on the Horde parallel goes hard. That's all I'm saying. That's going to be everything. Appreciate you all watching. Till the next time. Peace out.